Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, Unoster 15-day hospitalizations en une semaine la grippe poursuit son Ascension en Occitanie le pictal pidmie approche. Here is a summary of the text in English. The hospitalizations have continued to rise in the region during the fourth week of the flu epidemic. Even though the epidemic peak seems to be approaching, the authorities continue to advise vaccination. In the Occitanie region, there were 1,079 emergency room visits related to the flu epidemic in week 52, December the 22nd to the 28th, 2025, an increase of 17% compared to the previous week. 224 cases required hospitalization, a 15% increase in a week, representing 3.5% of total hospitalizations. These indicators confirm that in the fourth week, the flu epidemic is still on the rise in Occitanie, as in the rest of metropolitan France. The increase in syndromic indicators mainly concerns the 15 to 64 age group and is particularly strong in the over 65s. Since the beginning of the epidemic, 12 of the 18 patients hospitalized in the intensive care units of the Sentinel network in the region, i.e. 13 hospitals, were over 65 years old. 94% of these cases had comorbidities, 78% were not vaccinated, and unfortunately 6 died. However, Public Health France does not observe excess mortality from all causes in the mortality data provided by INSEE, even though the virological data reveal that almost all of these serious cases are a more virulent strain of influenza A. Nevertheless, caution is advised in interpreting these observations. The incidence rate is estimated to be higher in the former Languedoc-Roussillon region, 358 cases per 100,000 inhabitants, than in Midi-Pyrénées, 182. The health authorities therefore continue to encourage vaccination, especially for the most vulnerable people, as the first data suggest that the vaccine's effectiveness has not diminished, even though the circulating virus is slightly different from the strain it contains. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.